Typically 2 or 3 weeks into the project, the client starts to lose enthusiasm. And that's quite normal actually, since all the client sees at that point is just painted walls, all open spaces, nothing has been installed yet. The excitement on our project has no limits, and it continues. All preparational work has been done. The subfloor has been screwed down, walls have been painted, ceiling has been painted. We already have half of the flooring installed. In our project, we decided to run this flooring long ways. Flooring we chose for this project is a luxury vinyl flooring. A lot of clients choose this flooring these days because it's extremely durable, it's waterproof, has a variety of colors, and the installation is just a breeze. It's really popular. I love the color of this flooring. This flooring, since it has lighter and darker grays, will contrast nicely and gently with the kitchen island. Main cabinetry will have a much bigger impact, but this is exactly what we're looking for. Love this flooring. It was definitely the right choice.